Hi guys, I am back with another video. So today I will be making a paper airplane that flies far. Like far, I mean really far. Just to show you how far it flies, in the next video, I'll be measuring how far this paper airplane flies. Okay, so let's get started with the actual airplane. So all you need is a piece of regular printer paper. So what you want to do is fold it in half on hot dog style. Okay? So after you fold it hot dog style, like this, you open it up and then you take this corner and like fold it to this line. So this is one side done. And then the other. So after you want to fold this and you want to get this pointy part right here. And just try not to bend this because it's really fragile. So just try not to bend it. See, look, I just folded it. It's not bent. So you should have this after you get this corner and fold it right there. Here's one side done. And here's the other. So the next step, you want to get this and fold it up. And again, try not to bend this part of it. So you just fold it up and make sure this point right here is aligned with this line. Okay, when it is, these ends should be on and behind this. After you're almost done, you just fold it like this, and again, make sure these are behind that flap we made earlier. So you just fold it like this. When you have it folded like this, you take this and fold it down here. And when it's aligned with the bottom, you can go ahead and do the other side. And you are done. This airplane flies far. So on my next video, I'll be showing you how far this paper airplane actually flies in inches with my 16 feet inchy my tape measure. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe how you like this video. Please share with others. And thank you for watching. Bye.